Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring a brand new stamp set called Peace on Earth. Can't get it until September. I have some balmy blue here, and I have my little blender brush, and on my basic white thick card base I am going to create I'm dusting on some color. I don't want a super stark look, but this is a simple card, so this is sort of a simple little technique. I'm coming in with Misty Moonlight, and I am stamping about 2 inches up with the sentiment that says with deepest sympathy. So I have the Peaceful Garden. This is a brand new paper pack that's coming in September, and these are about 3.5 inches by 1/4 inch tall strips, and I'm just sort of tearing off maybe about 1/2 inch or so. I also put adhesive on the back side of these basic white pieces, and I'm going to adhere them to the Designer Series paper. As you know, Designer Series paper is not as thick as cardstock, thank goodness, but I want these strips to be popped up. So I am going to do that, but I want them to be just a little bit more sturdy. So I put 3 dimensionals on each of these Designer Series paper, backed with some white support, and now I'm going to put these little strips about 1/2 inch from the crease, and of course I don't put anything down very hard, like I'm not slamming it down there, I'm just touching it down in case I have to move it. So that could be the card right there, right? It's very simple, but I wanted to add a little detail. Now with the stamp set called Peace on Earth, there is a bundle that you can get. I didn't get it because sometimes I'm stupid. So I ended up just getting the stamp set, and I have I'm using the Thankful Garden dies instead of, and I'm pretty sure that there's a twig or a branch or something like that in the Peace on Earth dies. But yeah, I went in with the Thankful Garden dies, put this beautiful leaf motif, popped it up with dimensionals that needed to be popped up, glue dots where it needed no popping. And this is a little bit of linen thread. I tied the bow, and I did it off camera. Well, I did it on camera. I just cut it out of the film because who wants to watch me fuss with that? And then here's a glue dot. I'm rolling it into a little wee ball, and then I'm sticking it under the knot of the linen thread. Then I'm going to cut the ends, and that is my card for today. You can see all the supplies minus the stuff that you can't buy until September that I used today listed below in the video see more section on YouTube or in the supplies section of my blog post, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Bye for now.